Happy birthday to you.
Cheers! I like it.
Have you got the box of Kiss the Winner?
No. Carolina?
There it is. Go Kentucky home.
Carolina?
That one doesn't work either.
They all got one phone.
Parking was might go too fast. All right, release the hounds. Woo! That'd be awesome. You have to come over here. Track on fire. Burning down cordwood down. We're lost at the fire. I don't You gotta get the flashlight off.
Okay, here we go.
Go.
You gotta get back.
Take your flashlight
Quit
out.
cheating.
The racetrack's on fire.
Yeah, it is. Oh, this one's coming. Who's this?
Oh.
He's on his way.
He's on his way.
Yeah.
There's dun, 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 dun.
Look at you, Jared. You're in the hot section.
Don't let them burn themselves on the...
What's his number?
That's number 6.
Number 6.
Oh, we got
Or
it
is it a 9? 6 or 9?
What happened to
Running
him?
away with it.
Hey, get up.
Come on, you
Get up.
guys.
Huh?
What happened to
Oh,
him?
they're coming. They're going up the side of the box, Jared.
Oh, hey, over there.
Which one?
One right here.
Get him down.
One right here. Watch your foot.
Jerry, that fell.
Get back. Oh, yep.
There's one over here. Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, they're coming up the side.
There you go. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Catch him.
What number is he?
Catch him.
Oh,
He's going into the table.
I
can't tell what number he is, but oh, there he is. There's the winner.
Where'd he go?
Got a winner?
Oh, don't.
Oh, he's underneath somewhere.
Yeah, he went on the lid.
Huh?
He's in there.
He was over here.
You can stick to that card.